Hello everyone. Today we will discuss a question that was asked in CET 2019. The percentage of S character in the hybrid orbitals of nitrogen in NO2 plus, that is nitronium ion, NO3 minus, that is nitrate, NO3 minus, that is nitrate ion, and NH4 plus, that is ammonium ion respectively are. The options are given like 50%, 33%, and 25%. Now the order has been varied in option number B, option number C, option number D. Now we have to find out which is the correct order. First we have to check. First we have to find out the hybridization of nitrogen in NO2 plus, that is nitronium ion. For checking the hybridization, first I need to write the Lewis structure of that nitronium ion. Now let me write that Lewis structure by counting the number of valence electrons in nitrogen and two oxygen atoms. Now nitrogen has how many valence electrons? That is 5 valence electrons. First I am finding the Lewis structure for that NO2 plus. NO2 plus, that is nitrogen has how many valence electrons? 5 valence electrons, plus oxygen is having 6 valence electrons, that is multiplied by 2 times. Now since there is positive charge carried by this nitronium ion, I am going to subtract that 1 electron from that. Why? Because it is having 1 electron less. Now the number of electrons will be, valence electrons will be 6 2s are 12 minus 1, that is 11, 11 plus 5, that is 16 electrons. By using these 16 electrons, I am supposed to write the Lewis structure by giving octet configuration for all the 3 atoms. Sometimes you may give octet for central atom or may not give octet for central atom. That depends on the number of valence electrons that molecule is having. Now I will try to give octet for each and every atom. Now nitrogen becomes center since it is less electronegative than oxygen. Then I am going to write the 2 oxygens like this. Never mind its shape, I am writing the Lewis structure. Now among 16 electrons, I am going to distribute 8 electrons on each atom. 8 3 16 means there are 3 atoms. I can give 8 electron for each atom, means 2, 2, 4, then 6, then 8. Now oxygen is having 8 electrons, nitrogen is having now 4 electrons. Now let me distribute the electrons around this oxygen atom. 2 plus 2, that is 4, plus 2 6, that is 8. Now nitrogen is having octet configuration, oxygen, both of the oxygen atoms are having octet configuration. Now you will be having this plus 1 charge on the nitrogen atom. That's the Lewis structure for this nitronium ion. Let me find out the hybridization of the central nitrogen atom later. Now let me write this Lewis structure for this NO3 minus. Now I am going to write the Lewis structure for NO3 minus. Now as usual, I am supposed to take the valence electron count in each atom of that ion. Nitrogen is having 5 valence electrons, plus oxygen is having 6 valence electrons, multiplied by how many times? 3 times. That is added with 1. Why? Because this species is carrying 1 negative charge. Now how many valence electrons have been obtained? Means 6 is 18 plus 1 19, 19 plus 5 is 24 electrons. Now I have to distribute these 24 electrons around all the atoms such that each atom gets octet configuration. Now I am going to make this central atom nitrogen as usual because it is less electronegative. I am going to put the oxygens around nitrogen like this. Never mind its structure. Never mind its shape. I want only the Lewis structure. Now I am having this 24 electrons. 1 2 3 4. Nothing but if I give double bond for this oxygen, and then 4 electrons like this. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 8 electrons. Now I'm going to give this oxygen like 2 4 6 8, then 2 plus 2, that is 4, 4 plus 2, that is 6, 6 plus 2, that is 8. Now I'm going to distribute the electrons like this. Now 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 8 electrons around this oxygen. Now single bond here, then how many electrons on oxygen? Nothing but 6 electrons. 6 plus 2, that is 8, 6 plus 2, that is 8, 6 plus 4 plus 4, that is 8. Now 2 plus 2, that is 4, 4 plus 2, that is 6, 6 plus 2, that is 8. Nitrogen is also having octet configuration. Let me count the number of electrons. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 2 16, 16 plus 2 18, 18 plus 2 20, 20 plus 2 20, 22, 22 plus 2, that is 24, that is 26. Let me check once again. 7 4 6 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59 60 61 62 63 64 65 66 67 68 69 70 71 72 73 74 75 76 77 78 79 80 81 82 83 84 85 86 87 88 89 90 91 92 93 94 95 96 97 98 99 100 101 102 103 104 105 106 107 108 109 110 111 112 113 114 115 116 117 118 119 120 121 122 123 124 125 126 127 128 129 130 131 132 133 134 135 136 137 138 139 140 141 142 143 144 145 146 147 148 149 150 151 152 153 154 155 156 157 158 159 160 161 162 163 164 165 166 167 168 169 170 171 172 173 174 175 176 177 Now, one oxygen atom is carrying a negative charge. Let me calculate the formal charge on each and every atom. Formal charge nothing but number of valence electrons on oxygen is 6. Number of bonds is 1 minus 1. Number of dots is 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 minus 6 is minus 1. The charge on this A oxygen atom is minus 1. Let me calculate the formal charge on this B oxygen atom. It comes out to be same because the environment around A and B oxygen atoms is same. B oxygen atom is also carrying minus 1 charge. Now next one, I need to calculate the charge on this formal charge on this C oxygen atom. That C oxygen atom is carrying the 0 charge because let me calculate like this. Number of valence electrons on oxygen is 6. Number of bonds is 2. Number of dots, that is 4. That is 6 minus 6 to 6 minus 6, 6 minus 2, that is 4. 4 minus 4, that is equal to 0. The formal charge on the C is 0. I think can you see that formal charge on C? Formal charge on C is 0. I have calculated the formal charge on C, that is 0. Now let me calculate the formal charge on nitrogen. That nitrogen is having 5 valence electrons, that is D. Nitrogen atom D. Nitrogen is having 5 valence electrons minus number of bonds is 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of bonds is 4 and number of dots is 0 minus 0, that is equal to 1 plus, that is plus 1. Now this nitrogen is having plus 1 charge, this oxygen is having minus 1 charge, this oxygen is having minus 1 charge. Now plus 1 and minus 1 get neutralized and this oxygen is having negative charge. Now you can put one negative charge on this species. Now let me write the Lewis structure for this ammonium. Now in this ammonium, there is a third molecule, third species, that is NH4 plus. NH4 plus. Now you write ammonia. Ammonia is having central nitrogen atom. Now hydrogen atoms are around this nitrogen atom like this. Nitrogen is having 5 valence electrons, 1, 2, 3, then 4 and 5. Next, this hydrogen pair up with the electrons of nitrogen to form 3 covalent bonds. Then using this lone pair, nitrogen forms a coordinate bond with hydrogen. Now this nitrogen will be having the positive charge. This is the Lewis structure for this ammonium. Now let me calculate the hybridization. Hybridization of this central nitrogen atom in NO2 plus. Hybridization could be calculated by using this formula, that is number of hybrid orbitals equals number of attached atoms plus number of lone pairs. Now number of hybrid orbitals can be calculated by using this number of attached atoms plus number of lone pairs. Now this nitrogen is attached to how many oxygen atoms? 2 oxygen atoms. That is 2 oxygen atoms plus number of lone pairs is 0. That is, you will be having 2 hybrid orbitals. Next, for the first molecule I have been calculated the number of hybrid orbitals that come out to be, that is 2. Second molecule, that is nitrate ion, that is number of attached atoms plus number of lone pairs. Number of attached atoms is 1, 2, 3. 3 oxygen atoms are attached to the nitrogen atom, and number of lone pairs is 0. That is how many hybrid orbitals? 3 hybrid orbitals. For third species, that is ammonium, number of attached atoms around the nitrogen 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 hydrogen atoms attached to the nitrogen. There are 0 lone pairs. That is 4 hybrid orbitals. Now you have been calculated the hybrid orbitals around the nitrogen, central nitrogen atom in the 3 species. Now you have to use this concept, that is number of hybrid orbitals and hybridization. That is number of hybrid orbitals and hybridization. Number of hybrid orbitals and hybridization. If number of hybrid orbitals come out to be 2, the hybridization will be sp. If number of hybrid orbitals comes out to be 3, the hybridization will be sp2. If number of hybrid orbitals comes out to be 4, the hybridization will be sp3. If number of hybrid orbitals comes out to be 5, the hybridization is sp3d. If number of hybrid orbitals comes out to be 6, the hybridization will be sp3d2 or otherwise d2sp3. If number of hybrid orbitals around that atom will be 7, it is sp3d3. Now if you can identify the hybridization, you can calculate the percentage of s character. Now the hybridization for this first molecule is having 2 orbitals, which is sp. The hybridization will be sp. The hybridization will be sp2. Then hybridization will be sp3. Now in sp hybridization, the percentage of s character is 50%. No need for doing the calculation. Now if I consider this sp as 100%, s character is 50%. Now in this sp2 hybridization, you can calculate this percentage of s character by doing this calculation. That is, there is one s orbital and the total number of orbitals is 3. 1 by 3 into 100. 1 by 3 into 100. Now 1 by 3, let me do it 1 by 3 to 100. It comes out to be this 33.3%. That is 33.3%. That is equal to 33.3%. Then in sp3 hybridization, there is only one s orbital. Total number of orbitals is 4. That is multiplied by 100. Now which will give you the 25%. This is how you can calculate this percentage of s character in the type of in the type of hybridization. Whatever the hybridization type may be, you can calculate the percentage of s character, or you may calculate percentage of d character or percentage of p character by using this concept. Okay, that's it for now. I hope you have understood. Thank you.